Why does your cat suddenly freeze, lock its eyes onto a completely blank wall, and stare into the empty space for minutes? Why does the very creature sleeping on your lap right now possess a built-in night vision system that recycles light, allowing them to navigate a pitch-black room as if it were bright daylight?
Hey everyone, Milo here, and today Milo explains the mind-bending reality of your cat's hidden superpowers.
Over the next minutes, we are going to tear down the mystery and step directly into the secret sensory universe of your cat. You are going to discover the strange things cats can see, hear, and sense that are completely invisible to you. We will break down the biological mechanics of a hidden optical layer that turns normal vision into a high-definition night radar, the terrifying reason why your house looks like a glowing neon map through a cat's eyes, and the definitive scientific truth behind that eerie 3 a.m. stare down an empty hallway. If you are ignoring your cat's sudden behavioral shifts, you are completely missing a parallel dimension of reality. Your cat doesn't just live in your house. They seem to operate in an entirely different frequency of existence. You think you share the exact same living room, but while your human eyes are tracking the television or a book, your cat's sensory receptors are drowning in a massive flood of data that you couldn't register if your life depended on it. You'd probably expect that human eyes see more color and detail because our brains are larger, that the darkness we feel at night is identical to what our pets experience, and that when a room is perfectly quiet, it means there is absolute silence. Except every single one of those assumptions is dead wrong. In reality, your cat's eyes are recycling light photons like a high-tech solar panel. The peaceful, dark corner of your bedroom may reveal ultraviolet patterns and signals that remain completely invisible to you. And a quiet, empty room is often filled with a deafening symphony of high-frequency electrical static. Your cat is constantly navigating a hidden labyrinth of physical signals, and the way they perceive darkness is the perfect place to start. It completely defies human logic. You think you know what darkness looks like? Your cat laughs at your nightlight. Cats possess an extraordinary paper-thin layer of highly reflective cells sitting directly behind their retinas called the tapetum lucidum. Think of it as a biological mirror system. When a tiny microscopic beam of light enters a cat's eye, it passes through the retina, hits this reflective layer, and bounces right back through the eye a second time. They're literally recycling light, giving their photoreceptors a double chance to catch every single available photon. This is the exact reason why your cat's eyes glow with an eerie green or yellow fire when you catch them in a flashlight beam at night. On top of this optical recycling plant, a cat's retina is packed with up to 8 times more rod cells than a human eye. Rods are the specialized cells responsible for detecting shapes, shadows, and rapid motion in extreme low light conditions. That frantic, chaotic 3 a.m. sprint across your bedroom, your cat isn't losing their mind, and they aren't running blindly. They can see every discarded shoe, every open door, and every obstacle with absolute, crisp precision. To them, your pitch-black bedroom looks like a softly lit twilight landscape. You would be crashing into walls. They are operating as a tactical nighttime hunter. But light amplification is only the beginning. Their eyes can also tune into a completely different part of the electromagnetic spectrum. Here is something that will completely change the way you look at your clean house. Your cat sees a world painted entirely in ultraviolet light. Human eyes are equipped with a natural built-in lens filter that aggressively blocks out UV light to protect our sensitive retinas from sun damage. But a cat's lens is completely transparent to the ultraviolet spectrum. Because of this lack of a filter, common everyday materials look wildly different to a cat. Urine stains, biological fluids, and chemical markers that are 100% invisible to you under normal lighting glow with an intense, bright neon radiance through their eyes. A clean white shirt washed with modern detergent looks like a glowing radioactive vest because those detergents contain optical brighteners that absorb and re-emit UV light. When your cat stares intently at a seemingly clean surface, they might be tracking a hidden chemical trail or a dried spot of moisture that tells a complex story about who stood there hours ago. This enhanced vision comes with a trade-off. Cats see fewer colors than humans and are relatively nearsighted, but what they lose in color detail, they gain in motion detection and depth perception, making them extraordinarily effective hunters. And if a target tries to stay perfectly still, the cat switches to an entirely different sensory system. They use their face. To truly process this chemical landscape, cats don't just rely on their nostrils. They utilize a secondary olfactory system that bridges the gap between tasting and smelling. Deep inside the roof of their mouth lies the vomeronasal organ, famously known as the Jacobson's organ. Have you ever seen your cat open its mouth slightly, curl its upper lip, and freeze with a seemingly blank, almost unintelligent expression? This behavior is called the Fleeman response. In that exact moment, your cat is doing something incredible. They are actively sucking air into the upper palate, passing it directly over specialized chemical receptors. This allows them to effectively taste pheromones, hormonal signals, and territorial markers left by other animals or humans. When you walk through the door after a long day at work, your cat doesn't just see you. Through the Jacobson's organ, they analyze your sweat chemistry, your stress hormones, and the microscopic particles of every environment you visited. They are reading an invisible, detailed, physiological file of your entire day, compiled entirely from a single breath of air. Your cat's whiskers are highly sensitive tactile sensors packed with nerve endings. By detecting tiny changes in air pressure, they help cats navigate in darkness, judge distances, and determine whether they can fit through narrow spaces. In many situations, your cat isn't just seeing the environment, it is actively feeling it. But as powerful as their sight and touch are, their hearing may be even more extraordinary. Humans can hear sounds up to roughly 20,000 hertz. Cats can detect frequencies reaching approximately 64,000 hertz, allowing them to hear sounds that are completely silent to humans. A room that seems perfectly quiet to you may be filled with information for your cat. So, what does this all mean when we look at the ultimate question? What are cats actually watching when they stare into an empty hallway at 3 a.m.? Science doesn't confirm ghosts or paranormal activity, but it does confirm this. Cats perceive a version of reality that is vastly different from ours. When your cat suddenly hisses at a blank corner, tracks something invisible across the ceiling, or freezes in a silent room, it isn't necessarily imagining things. It's reacting to real information that exists beyond your senses. Sounds you'll never hear, vibrations you'll never feel, chemical signals you'll never detect. When your cat watches something invisible at 3 a.m., the most honest scientific answer is simple. It's invisible to you. Their world is not your world. And whatever they're tracking in that empty corner, they are completely certain it's there. Believe the ordinary explanation if it helps you sleep, but never question the cat, because long before you noticed anything at all, your cat already did.